In this video, I'm going to show you how to hijack unlimited free traffic online for your affiliate marketing. So if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how to find the keyword and where you kind of post those affiliate links, how you're going to create contents, everything in a step-by-step guide. This is good for the beginners, so watch the video until the end. I'm going to show you how you can hijack traffic, and you can get hundreds of views or clicks every single day. So watch the video until the end. First, what you have to do, you have to go to ClickBank, Digistore, JB Store to find an affiliate product that you want to promote, particularly a niche. For example, in this case, I'm going with flat belly or burn fat or belly fat as a related product. Like you can see, there's a couple of them, so I can promote any of them. Now, it is not easy to find, even though you find an affiliate product that you want to promote. Now is the bigger part is creating your content, targeting the right keywords. So this is the why these tools come to play. This tool is called Hijack.com. Again, it is expensive, but you can get 7-day free trial for $7. So I paid $7. I canceled my subscription. So for 7 days, I can search all the thing I want to do. So for example, on the tool, what you have to do, you have to go to this one called Site Explorer, and on that you're gonna put the website which you're gonna post the link, or you're gonna get a traffic for free, or you can hijack the traffic. Here you're gonna put the website is called Quora, but again, it is not easy to post something on Quora without knowing what you want to target for. So if you do that, you can it will bring the Quora statistic here, but we don't want to worry about that. We have to click this one called organic keywords here. You have to click that and it will take to that. Now here, what you have to do now on include section here, we are talking about belly fat, right? So you're gonna type that here and it will bring the result here. Now what you have to do here, you have to filter that result on position. What you have to do, you have to put 1 to 5, which means it will bring Quora keywords which is ranking on Google and the first 5 and the number 5 triangle, right? So the meaning is this keyword here, does app workout burn belly fat, this exact word on Quora here, it's on Quora, it's ranking on Google in number 5, within number 5, 1 to 5, guys. I'm going to show you proof here. So what you do after you find that here, copy this here, does abs workout burn belly fat, go to Google and do the same thing here, search that. Now if you see that carefully here, 1, 2, 3, and if you come down the 4th here, you can see it's ranking on number 4 for the Quora, guys. So the exact question people asking on Quora is ranking on number 4, and if you click open that, see it carefully here. If you open that, only 8 the number of answer we want, there's 18 answer on that. That means you can create enough very good content and you can still ranking on that. So what you have to do now, after you filter out, you're going to find, so for example, these are the keywords that are ranking on Google. So what you have to do, you're going to find in a keyword or the questions people asking on Quora have a lack of answer. So for example, 18 is good, or you can go with 20 or 6, 7, something like that. So you can find a keyword or the question people are asking on Quora have a limited number answer. You can see this is 18 answer, so you still create a very good content and you can ranking on, if you force it on Quora here, you can able to rank on number 1 because people will like it. They give you upvotes, number of upvotes determined where you will ranking on Quora. So you can see this answer have 5 upvotes, this is 16, and you can see it's 20. So it depends on that, it will ranking and the number 1 for that question. So also that particular question is ranking number 4 on Google, as you can see here, is ranking on number 4. So people able to click that, they will come and see you answer, guys. Now the important part is creating content and posting affiliating. Quora definitely block your answer, or if you force affiliate link continuously, they will ban your account, guys. There's an alternative way that you can post affiliate link on Quora. I'm going to show you how you can do that. You're going to use another website also to get more engagement for your content, guys. Before that, if you really like this video, leave a like in the bottom of the video, as I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day, so subscribe and like this video, guys. Now what you have to do, you're going to copy this question, you're going to paste it on Google and find in a blog post, an article people are writing about. This is the one I opened up here, that you can see doing ab workout, not losing a belly fat. Here's a proper way to do it. So this is the article. What you have to do now, copy this article, paste it on Google document or Grammarly or Word document, whatever you have. After you did that, again copy that and go to spin writer. Again, I'm using a spin writer. You can use any bold rewrite the articles here. So if you force the article, this is your rewrite article. You copy that and you're gonna go to this site called Vietnami. Again, Vietnami is the software that you can make contents. If you have a script, I already have the script. I just copy and paste it on Vietnami, and this website also automatically make video for me. Again, there is a offers is going on for the Vietnami today, so go and check it out. I put the link in the description. But again, if you can't afford Vietnami, then you can use host way. For example, you can use any software to turn these articles into automatic voice. Then you can use Pixel to get your videos and combine together to make a video, guys. After you did that, because Vietnam is going to make your video in a couple of minutes. If you do it manually, it's going to take a couple of hours to do that, guys. So your video is ready.
Doing A-flat exercises yet not losing stubborn.
Now the video is ready. What you have to do, you click download these videos in HD. Now we're going to go to the final website is YouTube, guys. What you have to do, don't worry about that. There's a big channels already doing that. Don't worry about it. What you do, upload the video, create a cool thumbnail, put the description, and again on the description here in the first part, instead of you put the exact same thing on the title as a description. Afterward, what you have to do, you're gonna put the affiliate link for your product, guys. So you're gonna go to ClickBank or any affiliate network, find a product, get affiliate link and put it on the description of that video. Now what you do, this video you're gonna live for in YouTube for until you remove it, so it will automatically generate organic views, but it will take time because your new channels, it will take a while to do that. What you have to do now, again go to your article. This is the rewrite article, right? Copy that. So don't copy all of them, just copy half of it and go back to Quora. This is the question we open up. So you click answer. On here, what you're going to do, before you copy and paste the answer, you can say, hey, I already made a detailed video for this question. If you want, please check the video on my YouTube channel. Okay, what you do here, you're gonna copy and you're gonna copy. So after you type something like that, go back to your YouTube channels, copy the shareable link and paste it on here. Then afterward, you copy and paste half of the sentence. Again, on the bottom you can say read more on my YouTube channel or watch my YouTube video, guys. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna redirect this traffic from Quora into your YouTube video. Again, if you put this exactly sentence and put the YouTube link, Quora doesn't know what is this about. Okay, just you word right answer in one sentences is not enough, so you need to have a couple of paragraph to Quora to understand you correctly rank. So this will get you upwards. It will rank your answer in the number 1, number 2 for this question on Quora. So whenever people come and see you and already understand that you made a video about it, so if they click the link, it will automatically take you to YouTube for your YouTube videos. They watch the video, they come down to the description, they click the affiliate link, it will take to the affiliate network. If they bought it, you can make affiliate commission. So this is the way that you can do it. Again, hi guys, this is a free method and you can hijack a free organic traffic to get more sales, guys. So all you have to know is you need to get this software. Again, I'm not promoting this software. You can get this software for 7 days for $7, only $7. You can get it and you can do all the research within the 7 days, and you can download it. You can see there's an export button. You can download that into Excel file, then you can use it in the future, guys. So try it out this method and let me know in the comment section it's working or not. I will doing myself and I will update you in the future, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.